hello guys, so this is the before of this image and this is the after. So what I want to do in this video is to show you how we're able to retouch this image using Kumoo step-by-step guide. Yes, of course, we'll have a preset that contains everything we did here, but I'm going to also save it if I want to. In case you want to save as a preset, just go to save, put the name and farm. It saves for you. So let me just save it. So the same name, I will just overwrite because I made a little adjustment. Yeah. So let me show you exactly the way we retouch this image to move it from this to this. So the first thing we will do is to reset everything, right? So I noticed that the image is too bright. I needed some contrast and all of that. So I went to my tone, brought down the exposure, added some contrast to it, like this. Beautiful. The before, the after. Then I went into my retouching group. So what I did there was simple. Remove the blemishes, do your skin retouching, and you are good to go. So we'll go all the way to the blemish removal area. I will just have to remove all the blemishes, the moles, the body blemishes, and everything in the image. And this is it without the blemishes. This is it with the blemishes. We're almost halfway done. Then the next thing we'll do is to go and restore some focus on the image, because I'm noticing focus is out a little, so we'll just do a little face focus repair. Yeah, our face disfocus repair have worked. So the next thing to do is to do our frequency separation. So we'll just increase my frequency separation to this area. Woo! Almost done. This is the before. This is the after. Then a little bit of my micro dodging and burning, which is recorded here as neutral gray leveling, and a little bit of the contour like this. So I added a little bit of the skin refinement, and this is what we have, the before, the after. But the issue is that what we did it affect our body. So we'll come down to the body frequency separation. We increase it to 100% and pushing some lows and some high, and we are good. So the next thing we'll do is to blend the skin tone, because I'm noticing the face and the neck isn't exactly the same color. So we'll just come over here, we'll add this a little bit and add this a little bit. Now it's time to color grade her skin. So I don't want her looking warm, or I don't want her looking fair. So I'll just click on my tan and bring it down. So around here, and a little bit of my temperature. And that is how we'll have this skin tone. So the next thing to do is to try and improve the makeup. So we'll come down all the way to the makeup section over here. Then we enhance her eyebrow like this. Enhance her eye makeup. A little bit of the shadows and a little bit of the highlights. Of course, we'll enhance the lips makeup. There is no blushes anywhere, and that is how we have the result. So I feel like her clothes needs to be ironed a bit. So I'll just come to the clothes wrinkle area and just smoothing out the dress a little bit more. And that is how we arrived at the result we'll have. This is the before, this is the after. So if I want to reload what I did in the other one, all I need to do is just to reset. Go to my preset over here, look at it. It's called makeup preset. Once I click on it and wait, it's going to reload everything I have done even before now on the image. And this is how you do it, my friend. If you're wondering how you're going to lay your hands on Kumoo, it's very simple. Go to the description of this video. You're going to see Kumoo download link attached to it. Click on the link so that you can have Kumoo also and integrate it into your workflow and be able to use it to do your retouchings as fast as you can. And of course, if you purchase your credit using our promo code, what is going to happen for you is that you're going to get extra 30% free credit on whatever you have purchased already. One more time, thank you for watching. See you on the next talk.